Good morning, y'all. Last night, so y'all are getting what you're gonna get. What my kitchen looks like right now. It's fine. I was supposed to do Spark or DoorDash today, but we'll see if that happens. The only way it's not gonna happen is if y'all buy my stuff. Yes. Okay. She's currently pissed off because I won't hold her right now. I need to show you them real quick. Make her extra strong. So here is the pajamas. They're so comfortable. Like, absolutely love them. I'll link them down below.